I'm Presti Jr. from Atlanta, Georgia. And for the past 5 years, I've played drums for two top-tier tribute bands in the area. The first one is New Sensation, the NXS tribute, and the other one is Elevation, the ultimate tribute to U2. For Collision Drumsticks, I play 5As, and what I like about these sticks is they feel great in my hands. The finish on them is really nice, and they're very balanced and they're matched perfectly. And notice that right away, they feel really good. The little extra length and the tip is nice for playing out live, I've noticed, and the company's been great to work with, very responsive to my questions and my needs, and I tell everybody that I can about Collision Drumsticks. Great company. What I'm going to play for you next is a track from my original band called Tweed, and this is off our third album, which was called Coffee Beans and Tea Leaves, and our music's available on all the major streaming platforms. This track is called 2 Feet. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.